Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperProductions here with another video. You guys asked for it. Just kidding. This is Isaac's Garage, episode number 2. Now we're doing my valve covers on the 350Z. And as you can see, we kind of already started here. But I'm going to show y'all a little bit. First thing you do, you take off your intake, take out the PVC hose, and then the connection right here. And then you go and take off 1, 2, 3, about like, I don't know, 15 bolts. The connection here, PVC post right here, and one down here. I think those are coolant hoses, I'm not sure. Somehow 2 hoses. And then go over here and take off.
That'll be on top right there.
Oh yeah, this will be right underneath it. Take off the bolt right here, and then these bolts, all of 6 of these bolts right here in the middle, and just prise up. And then on this, on one side, I think right here, will be your fuel pressure regulator. Make sure you take it off from the mounting bracket, not the fuel pressure regulator.
You'll be shitting.
Because you'll be shitting fuel, like we did. And
pretty much where we're at.
Yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. Now we just keep wrenching on, taking out the actual valve covers off. You need to take the injector wires, not the injector wires, the coil pack wires, the coil packs, and did I have to take off the spark plugs? I think I have to take off the spark plugs.
We'll let y'all know.
We'll let y'all know. I don't think so.
Just a little update.
Yeah.
Alright.
We'll let you guys know when we're done.
Alrighty, guys. Tell me what's up, Isaac.
Alright, so we got the valve cover on, as you can see. Make sure that when you have your intake manifold, I don't know, intake plenum or whatever, open, just cover it up with some rags so you don't get anything in there. And when you're doing this, try to put the new cover back on as soon as possible. And as you can see, my old one was leaking hella. It was all busted too. But this is a new one. Make sure you put in the gasket the right way. And new one. Brand new. Yeah. My YouTube check still ain't coming in, so
Can you?
I don't know how I bought these. But yeah.
There you go.
Right? You gotta get all those bolts around and disconnect a lot of these wires on the harness.
The more you take off, the easier it is.
Yeah.
To be honest.
It's kind of a bitch, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh yeah, we only got 30 seconds of this. Alright. Anyways, so we put all the bolts back in, gasket. Make sure the cam seals line up right here. Make sure. Oh shit, I just shit turned off. Alright, so we numbered them 3, 2, 1. The coil packs. We did it from back 3, 2, 1. So don't forget, that's important.
Oh yeah.
That's hella important. We numbered the wires too. We put some tape on them with the numbers. Make sure you replug back everything in.
Right.
All the bolts. Don't torque them down too much. Torque to specs.
Shout out Tony.
Yeah, shout out Tony Castillo.
Fast guy.
And yeah. So don't forget to put everything back on. And get ready to put everything back on.
And it might look like it's not gonna fit, but once you torque every bolt down.
Yeah. Yeah, because sometimes it'll be a little hard. It'll be a little lifted, but just take some finessing. Now we're gonna do the other side, but we're not gonna show you. Same shit, different day.
I didn't even see my 350 yet.
Hey,
It's in the works.
hey, all the only thing I'm gonna give is they look like a blueberry when he's driving.
Papa Smurf.
That's what you do, and they look like Papa Smurf. Alright, well, I'll show you guys when we started reinstalling everything back. Alright, so what we did is You know, get all the bolts around the plenum, intake, make sure all the connections are right, all these random PCV hoses. It's honestly a bitch. This is for the lower. Oh, I'm not even gonna get you guys confused. I don't know, but it was a bitch. Hope you guys never have to do this, but I hope this video helped you guys out a little. Started. It's a good sign. Sounds normal. Everything looks good. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I wish I had a better garage, better lighting for you guys, but I hope this helps y'all, you know, just starting out, so you'll do it yourselves. There's gonna be way more. Stay tuned for more car content at Isaac's Garage. Alright, later guys.